Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewalks of America. Today, we'll be telling you how to make your YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy. The first step in making your YouTube channel is deciding what you want to make a YouTube channel about. You could have gaming, how-to, review, funny, short films, or video blogs, or vlogs for short. Now, the YouTube video universe is not strictly limited to just those video ideas that I gave you. You can go crazy with it. You can, like on Sidewalks America, how we do a little bit of each of those things. You can do gaming review, you can do funny how-tos. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Now, there are a few key things to remember when making your video idea. The first is, what does your audience want? Now, you need to identify who is your audience. If you're gaming, who are the gamers? If you're doing a Minecraft video, what do your Minecraft people who want to see? Do they want to see survival, servers, creative? Anything works. The next thing you need to know is there a bad idea? Now, don't be discouraged by this because there are no bad ideas. Try an idea, see if it works, gets a lot of views. If it doesn't, that's fine to make another video. You know, some of my videos have not worked out. Some do. For example, Honk If You Love Jesus has been a really popular video. And others, not so much. Like the Minecraft video we just made, only 22 views. Hasn't really been a fan favorite. The next thing to do is get your video out there. Ask your parents to post it on Facebook, any social media page. Like our first video, my mother posted it on Facebook and it got lots of views. So that's always a good idea. Now let's actually talk about setting up the YouTube channel. Sign into your Google account and go to YouTube. Then press Create Channel. After you've done that, it'll tell you to name your channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you upload a video. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys and will encourage you to make your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bye.